The Outdoor Accent Sage system from Simpson Strong-Tie is a quick and easy way to build your dream pergola. When selecting wood for your project, there are a handful of things to consider. Think of it as similar to selecting produce at the grocery store. Wood size, appearance, and quality can vary greatly. Sage system connectors are sized to fit 4x and 6x wood. How well the wood fits in your connectors is going to depend on things like the wood species and grain, moisture content, treatments, and even where you buy it. Your boards may have sharp edges or corners that will need to be softened with sandpaper. In case your lumber is too big to fit into the connectors, you might need to sand or cut it down to size. With the right preparation and attention to detail, the Sage system ensures a perfect fit for your pergola, making your outdoor dreams a reality. Learn more at strongtie.com/Sage system.